What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I'm going to share with you guys one of the product, and the reason I want to share with you guys this exact product because some of you guys keep on messaging me, keep on emailing me and asking me to basically show you guys one of the budget USB condenser microphone. So today we have here USB condenser microphone from Tonor. The exact model we have here, Tonor TC30, and this microphone goes for around $29. So if you're someone who is not looking to spend a lot of money on like buying gears and you're just starting a YouTube channel, maybe you have a $400 or $500 camera, you have a softbox for like maybe $50, and then you want to pick up a budget microphone because maybe you want to live stream, you want to start your own podcast, or maybe you just want a microphone for just doing voiceover. Now this microphone right here comes with 2 years warranty. Also you can pick up this microphone from Amazon, like I said, for $29. And if this microphone is any good, you guys let me know, because today I will test this microphone in front of you guys. Yes, I didn't test this microphone yet. I will plug this microphone to my HACKINTOSH right here running macOS Catalina 10.15.7, and we'll see how this microphone performs. Let me just read you guys real quick specs. So the brand name Tonor, the model TC30, it's a condenser microphone, cardiac input sample rate 4800 kilohertz, bit rate is around 16 bit, and yeah, and rest you guys can rate. Alright, so right after we open the box, first thing we have here, 2 years warranty from Tonor. Alright, and then we have instruction manual. I don't need it. If you guys do, then you can read it. Alright, and then we have here everything we basically need. So hope you guys can see. Alright. So first thing first, we have the pop filter right here. Alright, solid plastic, cloth, metal right here, the pop filter. And what else we have? Alright, so alright, here we have the microphone itself with the microphone stand. Okay, so the microphone, plastic build. Okay, metal microphone stand. You have the Tonor logo right here, and back of the microphone, the only thing we have USB-C. I'm kind of surprised this microphone is only $29. Like, this microphone actually doesn't feel cheap. Like, hopefully this microphone sound good also, because it doesn't feel cheap. Alright, let me put the pop filter on real quick. And here we go, we have the pop filter on right here, you guys can see. Wow, this thing is really simple, guys. So for $29, you're getting a pop filter, you're getting a stand, you're getting a condenser microphone, and you are also getting a USB-C to regular USB cable right here. Wow, this thing is really cool. So we don't have nothing else here. Alright, so real quick guys, let me plug this microphone to my HACKINTOSH right here running macOS. So I want to see how this microphone perform, right? So let's go jump into my computer real quick. Let's plug this microphone to my computer. Alright guys, so I just plugged the Tonor TC30 USB condenser microphone to my computer USB 2.0 port, and currently I have the microphone on a different stand, and the original stand is here because I want the microphone to be a little higher so you guys can see the microphone also. Now currently I'm like maybe 1.5 feet away from the microphone right now, so you guys can hear my voice. And now if you guys are using Mac, you need to go to System Preference, and then go to sound, then go to input, and then click on the Tonor TC30 microphone, and then you need to adjust the input volume level. I have currently microphone input volume set to 40%. Now depend on how far you from the microphone. Make sure whenever you are recording your voice, make sure you record your voice with lower input volume, okay? Because you don't want to increase the input volume too high, and then whenever you are recording your voice, and then you will hear like voice, pop or cracking noise. So you don't want to do that. So guys, let me do real quick test for you guys. I'll go closer and closer to the microphone, and I will show you guys how this microphone perform. So let's lower the input volume to maybe 35. Okay, is it 35, 37, maybe 35? Let's see. 36 right now. All right, 35. So right now I'm like 10 inches away from Tonor TC USB condenser microphone. Right now I'm like 5 inches away from Tonor TC30 USB condenser microphone. Right now I'm like 2 inches away from Tonor TC30 USB condenser microphone. Alright, so we can increase the input volume to 40% again, because I'm far from the microphone now. Is that 40% right there? 39, should be 40 right now. 39. All right, so 40%. And real quick, I'll test my keyboard, right? All right, I'll try to type slow now. So keyboard is kind of like 1.5 feet away from the microphone right now. Okay, so I'll just hit the space bar a couple times. Okay, keep hitting the W key, S, D, A, arrow key up, space, enter, number, one. And so I think for the price, this microphone is pretty good for $29. Now there is some cons. This microphone doesn't have mute button on the microphone body. It doesn't have any switches, doesn't have anything. So basically Tonor managed to cut down the microphone price by not adding those options, and I think it's okay. You can basically control everything from the software. I don't really mind, as long as the microphone quality is good, the build quality is good, the sound quality is good, and you're getting everything whatever you need for gaming, for live streaming, for podcast. I don't actually mind. For $29, you guys let me know what do you guys think.